Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Grand Rivers, Key. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Motel 6 Grand Rivers is located 5 miles from Kentucky Dam Village State Park. Free Wi-Fi is available in all rooms of this Motel 6 Grand Rivers hotel as well as cable TV. All rooms have a microwave and refrigerator. Laundry facilities and a business center are on site at the Motel 6 Grand Rivers. A 24-hour reception and vending machines for snacks and drinks are also available. This hotel is located in Grand Rivers City Center and is just miles from the Kentucky Lake. Interstate 66 is 4 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.